Good morning everyone. We are the students of class 9 Taravali and we are here with our science project Smart Irrigation System. So myself Vipul and he is Akshar, he is Arpan and he is Krishna. Today we will show you our science project. So now I am going to tell you what component we used in this project. So first of all, let's go to the circuit system. This is the relay module of 5 volt which controls the motor and it automatically turns off the motor. And this component is with the sensor which gives direct signal, means digital output to the relay module so that the relay module can get a response. This is the battery holder which gives the supply of the current, and there is the motor inside this container, and we have a sensor here which senses the moisture of soil. Where the current supply from here, it goes in water and the water automatically turns on. When the water touches the sensor, the motor automatically turns off. Use my project Smart Irrigation System. This project helps farmer to in irrigation method as well as to conserve water efficiently. In this project, there is a soil moisture detector which detects the moisture present in the soil, and the motor automatically turns off, which saves the time as well as labor.
So now let us know the objective of the project. The objective of the project is to save water and time as well as use water efficiently.